Okay, same thing, a little bit faster. This time we might throw in some quarter notes or notes, all right? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 beats, 2 beats, 4 beats, 2, 3, 4. Going to go for half notes. Here's a half note. Half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3, 4. Second fret, second fret, second fret, second fret. 7th, 7th, 9th, 2. How about some 8th notes? Let's see what happens. Yes, my thumb is curving over the neck and muting that low E string. I like the sound of that thud with this. So the low E string and the high E string are both thuds.